Welcome back to the 3D playbook. So in today's lecture we will model this part in Autodesk Inventor 2027. So overall dimensions are also given, the height, the width and the two radiuses for these two arcs and also diameters. So let's go make this. Go to the new, select standard template here. Go to the 2D sketch and you can choose any plane here. So I will choose the XY plane. And now let's go back to the drawing. There are two arcs of radius 35 and 42.5. So let's go make these first because these are the base and bottom. Let me escape, Ctrl Z. Let me select again the circle, place at the origin. It is the radius, okay, 14.5. Let me go back to the drawing sheet. 42.5 and 35. Let me edit 42.5. Let me select circle again, like this, and give the dimension as 30. And give this dimension as it is diameter, so it will be 35 into 2. Okay, let me select project geometry here, select the origin. We will project the x-axis so we can trim the remaining face. Let me select this line and turn into construction. Go back to the drawing sheet and we will extrude to the 50mm thickness. Let me finish sketch here. Let me go again. I did this sketch. Let me close this sketch here. Select this point and this point, this point and this point. Let me finish sketch. Go to the extrude here. Extrude. Let me choose symmetric for both 50mm and okay. Go back to the sheet here, the drawing picture. Now here we wanna create this hole at the 70mm height in the mid. These two holes of radius 12.5 and 12mm diameter through hole. Let me go to the drawing here. Start 2D sketch, this plane. Let me choose, press F7 or slice graphics. Let me choose project geometry and this line. Now draw two circles here. Radius, let me see the radius, it is 12.50. Let me choose dimension. It is 12.50. Select this center of the circle and the bottom, very bottom surface, and it is 70mm as given in this drawing. 70mm. Look, the center point is away with 70mm. And we will draw another diameter of 12mm through hole, the inside. Let me choose circle here. Radius, what is the radius? It is 12.50. Let me choose 12.50 here. Okay, finish sketch. We will use the thickness as 40mm, not thickness but the length. Look, it is given here 40mm. So I will choose extrude, select this face and type 40 here, like this. Okay, now we will create this, the middle feature. It is tangent with this surface and also this, join with both, and it is 40mm and this is 15, actually a rectangle. So how are we gonna create this? Let me show you. Go to the plane, select tangent to surface and parallel to plane. What is the surface? The tangent. This is the surface and parallel to this plane. Let me select this plane, create sketch. Let me choose slice graphics. Let me go and select the 2-point, not 2-point, but center point rectangle here. Okay. What is the dimension? 40 is the length and 15 is the thickness. So let me choose 40 here and 15 is the thickness. Okay. Finish sketch. Now what we're gonna do to join here and also here, let me just show you. We will choose asymmetric here. The first distance which is going up and the second is going down. So in up we will choose extrude to next. Okay, now create add here. Now choose again next. This is the surface. Let me Control Z. Go to the extrusion again. It is joining here. Add. Reverse the direction and to the next surface. Okay, this is how you're gonna make it. Let me go back to the drawing. Okay, let's go give it some color. Let me select this and go to the color scheme and choose whatever suits it, or it may look good. Okay, red one. So this was a quick one. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Just comment down for what should I make in the next video. Just watch the videos till the end, sub to the channel, and thanks for watching.